Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can locate or find a Cash App routing number. In order to locate or find a Cash App routing number, first thing first, make sure your device is connected to an internet service. After that, go ahead and log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, in the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the dollar shape icon, and this is going to direct you to the home page. Once you're on this page, you can see right on top there will be an option as account and routing. Click on it. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see your routing and account number right on top. If you want to copy either one of these, tap on the three dot icon next to it and you'll be able to see an option as copy a routing number or an account number, and then you'll be able to find or locate your routing number on Cash App. So in this way you can locate or find your routing number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.